Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in fabulous Las Vegas on the wonderful Las Vegas Strip. Pretty much center strip, right here in front of the Bellagio Hotel and Casino. There are those who say the Bellagio Hotel and Casino is the most luxurious hotel and casino in town. That's debatable, but it's certainly the most luxurious MGM property in town, without a doubt. I've been standing out front here waiting for the fountain show, the iconic fountain show, to begin, and it looks like it's not going to be happening for a while. I'm sure it will begin as soon as I step foot inside. And speaking of inside, once we're inside, we'll check out the shops, the restaurants, the casino, the attractions inside, the pools. We'll check everything out except a room. Of course, I'm not checked in here at this hotel, so I can't show you a room, but I'm going to show you pretty much everything else the Bellagio has to offer. So let's step inside, shall we? What did I tell you? As soon as we step inside, the show's going to begin, and sure enough, those fountains went on just now. Let's appreciate them for a little while before we start walking through the hotel. We entered the Bellagio through the north entrance. If you're outside facing the fountains, it's the entrance on the right-hand side. We went up the escalators, and it leads us to this shopping promenade. There's also lots of restaurants here. Most of the restaurants are on the left-hand side, because that's the fountain side, and obviously restaurants should have a view, not stores. And most of the stores are on the right-hand side. They're all high-end shops. There are some, of course, on the left-hand side as well. And, of course, there's no shortage of high-end shops here at the Bellagio. Some of them include Alexander McQueen, Bulgari, Bottega Veneta, Roger, Chanel, Capri, Dior, Essentials, Fendi, Giardini Garden Store, Gucci, Guerlain, Harry Winston, Hermes, Louis Vuitton. There's a newsstand here. Omega, Optica, Platino, Prada. There's a art gallery, The Art of Richard McDonald, Sarah Jessica Parker, Testerini, Tiffany & Company, Tutto, Valentino, Van Cleef & Arpels, Volari, and a couple more. Lots of shops here. And as we enter the main casino floor, if we make a left, we run into some more restaurants, beautiful high-end restaurants here at the Bellagio. And again, they're all facing that wonderful fountain. The first one here is Yellowtail Japanese Restaurant and Lounge. Yellowtail Japanese Restaurant and Lounge delivers imaginative twists on traditional and modern Japanese cuisine. And right next to Yellowtail is the famed Le Cirque, a perennial AAA 5-Diamond Award winner. Le Cirque delivers exquisite French cuisine. And next up is Lago by Julian Serrano. Tour the bolder side of Italy with innovative small plates from the Michelin-decorated chef Julian Serrano. Up next is the Mayfair Supper Club, an elegant restaurant featuring contemporary American cuisine. The Mayfair Supper Club promises not only a feast for the senses with impeccable presentations, flavor profiles, and spirit selections, but a return to the glamorous eras of Las Vegas and old New York set against the fountains of Bellagio. This is Jasmine, a beautiful Chinese setting with a menu that puts Cantonese, Sichuan, and Hunan cuisine in the spotlight.
This is Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
This beautiful glass-flowered sculpture hanging above the reception area here at the Bellagio is called Flori di Como. It's by the artist Chiaoli, and I believe Chiaoli is also responsible for those beautiful chandeliers at the Borgata in Atlantic City. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's the same guy. If you walk straight ahead through the Conservatory, which is the subject of several videos on this channel, we won't be covering the Conservatory in this video, but if you walk through it, you'll come to Sadelle's Cafe, where you can savor the best brunch in Las Vegas, according to them. No matter what you're craving, Sadelle's Cafe features all your favorites. Right next to Sadelle's is Michael Mina. At this signature restaurant, Michael Mina has crafted a menu focusing on refined coastal cuisine. That's fancy talk for a seafood restaurant. And apparently, if you have a large party, Michael Mina can hook you up pretty nicely. And down this corridor, which leads you to the pools, there's some more restaurants as well as some more shops. And on the right-hand side, you have the famous, iconic Bellagio Hotel Conservatory. Coming up here on the right is Giardini Home Store. I always like stopping in this store. Let's check it out, shall we? This is the Bellagio Patisserie. Welcome to a carefully crafted collection of chocolates, cookies, cakes, crepes, and other delights. It's also home to the world's largest chocolate fountain, featuring white, milk, and dark chocolate. And I think we can sneak several shots in of the Bellagio pools here. This restaurant is called Harvest Farm to Table Freshness. Harvest Market inspired menu is a breath of fresh air in Las Vegas, meeting the health conscious demands of today's travelers and diners while simultaneously delivering fresh, creative dishes that are full of flavor. This is the Petrosian Bar, kind of like a Connoisseur Central. Caviar tacos and captivating cocktail pairings take center stage here at the Petrosian Bar. Noodles features traditional noodle dishes from Malaysia, Thailand, Japan, China, and Vietnam. This is the Palio Cafe. Start your day right or take a break for an espresso, pastry, or a more substantial snack in this delightful cafe right by the pool. This is the Bellagio Buffet. I've never been here, but it's on my list of things to do on my next visit here in Las Vegas, which is just a few months away. I was never big on buffets, but I'm starting to enjoy them. And like the website says here, leave your misconceptions of buffet dining at the door. The buffet at the Bellagio is an experience like no other in Las Vegas. Our chefs bring together the freshest ingredients and the best dishes from around the world, including Italian, Japanese, Chinese, and American cuisines, plus a whole lot more. Yup, a video from the Bellagio Buffet coming on my next visit. Cirque du Soleil has their show O here at the Bellagio, and this is the gift shop right outside the theater. Poker, anyone? Well, I enjoyed our little visit here to the Bellagio Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. I hope you did too. Don't forget, if you're in the area, to make sure to check out those free shows at the iconic fountains out front and the Conservatory inside. Have you ever stayed at the Bellagio? What'd you think of the video? Leave a comment below.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.